So let's do this. I usually put my styling cream on, you know, right after I finish washing my hair. I use a really big round brush. I love this hair dryer here, guys. It doesn't get super hot. It's an Italian brand. It's made in Italy. Babyliss Pro Rapido. That's what I mean. Okay, what's most important about this part is that every piece of the hair needs to be dried from up and down and left to right, just to give more volume and bounce to the hair. One thing though is like I dry like going down like this. Okay, boo! And then when it's close to being done, this is the trick for the volume. You go up and then dry like this, and then that's when I like straighten my ends, okay? Okay, getting close to the top here, I'll just work in like smaller layers. I'll just kind of like go cut it half here and then in the middle like this. Now up here though, you guys, if you notice, I'll dry up. I'm never gonna dry this because then it will be flat. So I always dry up. That's like my trick slash secret. This movement here is what gives all of that volume, like boo, and then do, and then boom. It does, like look at this, it stands up. And you'll be able to see more when I'm like all done. And then when you're styling it, that's when we're gonna like make it look pretty, because right now it's just like volume. So, same thing here, guys. Now I'm gonna like more so divide where my bang starts, so here, and like work in smaller sections. This is like major workout, you guys, like no kidding you. Okay, bangs are fully wet. Another piece of secret advice, whatever you want to call it, I'll get like a smaller brush, because like see how big this is for my bangs. So I like this will give more movement. For my bangs I do full heat and low speed, so that allows me to have more movement on my hair. Right? I know you guys were like, yay, finally! Like seriously guys, that's all it is. It's just the way that you dry your hair in the direction, so it's like totally, you know, and the volume is gonna die a little bit. Obviously this is just like freshly, but I would just kind of like let it cool off. Another thing you can do is like a shot of like cold air, and that would kind of like hold the style a little longer too, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay guys, so the tool is hot. I'm actually gonna link, I have a full review on my YouTube channel about these guys, T3. I love this, and I'm gonna link it here for you to see. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to go back and do sections already, and then I do it like up and away from my face, and I leave like a big kind of remaining thing here lost, just to look like a uncapped wave. If I'm looking for more like a curl type thing, then I use like a smaller barrel. Okay, important tip is, did you say something, bud? Ooh, I forgot a strand here. Okay, Okay, you guys, the secret to good waves is to kind of like let them cool off. So as I'm doing them, I don't touch them. I kind of let them sit there and chill, like literally, and then I keep on working on the rest of the hair. This is another one of those secrets that you have to like come from under the hair, so to give that lift, you know, like thinking like you're lifting it up from the scalp, like you're going against the roots, tries to go down, and then you're going against it, and so it's kind of like that. So you do that and let it dry or let it cool. Same thing here. So I know it looks crazy right now, but let it sit here for a second. Like I said, like give it a few minutes, and then you can put your like styling or final styling product. Okay, so after the hair is dry, I will usually come with like a squirt of some kind of oil. I like this DpHue Argan Oil Therapy. I think it's just really smells good, and it's a lightweight. It doesn't weigh down my hair, so I really like it, and that's when I would go like everywhere. Now I have a lot of broken hair on top for like growing new hairs. So sometimes, and it's super annoying, it is, but it's a good thing. Like, look at this volume, you guys. No joke. Like, hello, Pantene commercial, right? You guys, I will use some of this Creme silk, Creme with Silkgroom, just the tiniest bit. It's a Kiehls product, something like that, and just kind of use it where I feel like I'm getting some frizz. And for my final product, which I love, is this Davines dry texturizer. So this stuff, I might have talked about this in a different video, but I love to use this just once after I style my hair like this. It will give you some texture. The only thing is that it's not gonna be super silky, so you're not gonna, I mean, it makes me avoid to play with my hair, but it holds up this waves a lot better. So I kind of like spray it a little bit. And then for the after days, like the days that you're actually, you know, second, third, fourth day, for me, fifth or sometimes sixth, I use a dry shampoo, and I love this apple cider vinegar dry shampoo. It smells nothing like vinegar at all. It's amazing. Sometimes if I feel like my root is flat, I'll use a little bit of it and just kind of like rub it in there, but I won't right now because it's, to me, it's perfect. But that was my hair, how I style my hair for you guys, and how I get lots of volume. It's like all about how you actually style your hair, like all in the way of you drying your hair and the way you actually curl or style your hair. So always like lift it up, dry lifting it up, and style like lifting it up instead of like pulling it down. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this stories, highlights, videos, whatever. I would love to know if this helped you in any sort of way to learn something new, you know, how to style your hair differently or whatever. So thank you guys so much for your love.